Okay, what I have here is a Circa 1907 Gramophone and Typewriter, French Monarch Senior. This was sold in France in 1907 by the Gramophone and Typewriter Company, their division in France. It's quite a beautiful machine. 12-inch turntable, very ornate. Nickeled support arm, nickel tone arm. Here you have the Gramophone and Typewriter exhibition reproducer. Has a ball bearing turntable, which prevents the shaft from being bent if it's leaned on or anything like that. Has a nickeled triple spring motor comparable to what was produced by Victor at the time in the United States on their Victor 6, which was the top of the line. So this would be the top of the line in France in 1907. And this one has something amazing on it, which is an incredible 38-inch by 23¼ inch concert horn. Has the G&T orange inside the horn. I always find that interesting compared to the American Victor products. It's a beautiful machine. And I'm going to give it a play for you. That record was a Regal record. You're a real sweetheart. I thought how appropriate, since it's such a nice machine. Hope you liked it.